Welcome to Best Productly.
Top 5 Heavy-Duty Air Compressors for Auto Body Shops 2026. Looking to power up your auto body shop in 2026? Today, we're diving into the top 5 heavy-duty air compressors that deliver reliability, performance, and efficiency for every project. From spray painting to tire inflation, these compressors handle tough jobs with ease. Stay tuned as we
Top 1.
California Air Tools CAT 60040C80 4.0 HP Ultra. The California Air Tools CAT 60040C80 4.0 HP Ultra is a reliable solution for auto body shops and home garages looking for high-performance equipment. Many professionals choose heavy-duty air compressors to ensure consistent airflow and efficiency for various tasks. This model provides strong and steady operation, making it easier to complete projects without interruptions. Using a CAT 60040C80 air compressor simplifies work in auto body shops. From spray painting to powering pneumatic tools, consistent air supply helps improve workflow and reduces downtime. Its durable design makes it suitable for frequent use, supporting both small and large-scale projects. Having a dependable air compressor ensures tasks are completed safely and efficiently.
Top 2.
Emax Electric Air Compressor 80 gallons 7.5 HP 2-stage compressor. Here's a 260-word SEO-friendly, plagiarism-free content based on your instructions. The Emax Electric Air Compressor 80 gallons 7.5 HP 2-stage compressor is a powerful solution for auto body shops and home garages that require reliable performance. Many professionals rely on heavy-duty air compressors to maintain consistent airflow and efficiency for demanding tasks. This model ensures steady operation, making it easier to complete projects without interruptions or delays. Using an EMX 2-stage air compressor provides superior performance for a wide range of applications. From spray painting to powering pneumatic tools, continuous.
Top 3.
Dungersol Rand P1.5 IU, a 9.2 horsepower, 20 gallons, single-stage compressor. Here's a 260-word SEO-friendly, plagiarism-free content based on your instructions. The Ingersoll Rand P1.5 IU, a 9.2 horsepower, 20 gallon single-stage compressor is a reliable choice for home garages and professional workshops that require steady and efficient airflow. Many mechanics and car enthusiasts prefer single-stage air compressors to handle everyday tasks with consistent performance. This model delivers dependable operation, making automotive and DIY projects easier and more efficient. Using an Ingersoll Rand air compressor improves workflow in workshops and garages. From tire inflation to powering pneumatic tools, stable airflow helps.
Top 4.
North Star Single-Stage Portable Electric Air Compressor. Here's a 260-word SEO-friendly, plagiarism-free content based on your instructions. The North Star Single-Stage Portable Electric Air Compressor is an efficient solution for home garages and small workshops that need reliable airflow. Many DIY enthusiasts and mechanics prefer single-stage air compressors to handle a variety of tasks with consistent performance. This portable model makes it easy to move between workspaces while delivering steady and dependable operation. Using a North Star air compressor simplifies maintenance and repair tasks.
Top 5.
Polar Air Industrial 3-Cylinder Silent Air Compressor. Here's a 260-word SEO-friendly, plagiarism-free content based on your instructions. The Polar Air Industrial 3-Cylinder Silent Air Compressor is a reliable solution for workshops and industrial settings that require consistent and quiet airflow. Many professionals are choosing industrial air compressors to support heavy-duty tasks while maintaining a low-noise environment. This model delivers smooth and dependable performance, making it easier to complete projects efficiently. Using a Polar air compressor helps maintain productivity in busy workspaces. From powering pneumatic tools to inflating equipment, a steady airflow ensures tasks are completed quickly and safely. It's
the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.